Hello and welcome to Hot Wheels Duel Racing Week 7. Today, we're going to be racing the 76 Bugatti Chiron and the Bugatti Bolide. Let's open them up. Okay, let's start with the Chiron. I have a blue version of this unopened, and you will see it in a future video. I actually have never owned one of these before. So it'll be a new one to my collection. Bolide. And this is the third and final color of the Bolide I need. Finally. Okay, let's go racing. In lane 2, we have the Bugatti Bolide. And in lane 5, the Bugatti Chiron. 3, 2, 1. It is the Bugatti Bolide. Thanks for watching and come back for week 8.